Where are you buying to?
Alright, boys. It's now I'll never.
I'm dreading this.
It tastes like smells like straight up shit.
Probably gonna taste like shit
Is
too.
it gonna taste like shit or
Probably.
just spicy?
Alright.
But
I mean, if that girl did it, we can do it.
you're this far.
Pause, guys.
Oh my god. That's good.
That's sounding.
Who can last long enough to go to the milk? Well, you guys. Oh, it's bad.
Oh. Oh.
Are you gonna throw up?
No.
Connor goes first.
Oh, that was horrible. Holy Mother of God. Oh my God. Oh my. Sorry. Oh my God.
You okay there, Joe?
Who's got Eugene's face up close?
Fuck.
I don't have it close up, but.
Fuck. My neck.
Josh is just taking it like a champ.
It's real bad.
Fuck. Oh.
Fuck.
Oh.
God, Connor.
Oh my God.
You okay, Gene?
My mouth is on fire.
That's real fucking hot.
Do you want some bread? I fucking.
Nothing's gonna help him now, man.
Kill me.
What?
Oh my God. It's getting worse. Why is this happening? Sorry, guys. Take your time.
They chose me to do this.
And my ear's on fire.
My good body. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's worse.
That would be smart. You try what? Tie my mouth. Horrible idea. My ear's on fire.
Thought you'd be smart and what?
Try on this side of my mouth so this side doesn't burn. This
No
side
burn.
is horrible.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, my ear hurts so bad.
Alright, I think I got enough of this. I have like 7 minutes now.
It's getting worse. What is happening?
Eugene's reaction is the real reason I'm still filming.
Sorry, Jeannie.
Fuck.
This is so bad.